Okay, so after a lot of research, just to make sure I understood the concept correctly, excuse me, I was going to restore them, but I accidentally broke one of the fipples off of this side when I went to disassemble it to restore it and create new bellows. Now, a lot of people can make new bellows out of what's commonly Tyvek. This is Tyvek house wrap. If you crinkle it up and loosen it up to get the fiber, bellows, new cuckoo bird, adjusting the wiring. I cleaned up the pivots that I could get to on this side, which are the little pivots here have little cups around them. These little cups are so that you can get oil, clock oil in. Now I cheated because, like I said, I don't do this. I actually use a zero weight engine oil. You take a toothpick, you dab it, and you just dab it into the little cups around each of these little pivots to get oil into those pivots. The minute I did that and let it run, it finally was able to set a beat, and it stayed running for quite a normal amount of time. I mean, over a day, because I had to wind it. So that officially restores it. I mean, it is a functioning cuckoo clock now. And now that I have slowed it down by adjusting the spinner, or the little vane or fan on this arbor here that controls the cuckoo, it's at a more reasonable speed. And I'll show an example of that now by attaching its weight back over. Might be a little easier to reattach just by setting it down. All right, so I'll trigger the cuckoo and simulate what it was doing to what it's doing now. It's not very big of a difference, but it is a difference. So let's trigger it. Nice and slow. This is what it was doing. So there's a good difference there between how fast it was spinning to what it is spinning and cuckooing now, that I have tightened that tab around that arbor to slow down that fan a bit, that fan. And that's it. It's pretty much done. We can reassemble it, rehang it, reset the time, and just enjoy it. Let it run.